Have you ever pondered over the question, what if machines could think? What if they could learn, adapt, and evolve just like us? This is not a sneak peek into a sci-fi thriller, but a glimpse into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it is commonly known, is a revolutionary technology that has taken the world by storm. It's a concept that might seem complex and intimidating, but in reality, it's not. Think of AI as a child learning to identify objects. It observes, it learns, it adapts, and eventually it identifies. So how exactly does AI work? Imagine a vast network of neurons, just like the human brain, but these neurons are not biological, they are digital. This network, known as a neural network, forms the backbone of AI. The neural network is fed a large amount of data. It processes this data, learns from it, and then uses this knowledge to make decisions or predictions. This is known as machine learning, the heart and soul of AI. But what fuels this machine learning? It's the data. Data is the food for AI. It thrives on data. The more data you feed it, the more it learns, the more it evolves. This is why big data has become such a buzzword in the tech industry. AI is not just about robots taking over the world. It's about making our lives easier, more efficient, and more productive. It's about self-driving cars, voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, recommendation algorithms on Netflix and Amazon, and so much more. AI is also playing a crucial role in solving some of the world's biggest problems. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases, it's helping scientists understand climate change, and it's even helping law enforcement solve crimes. Now let's summarize what we've learned about AI. AI is a technology that enables machines to learn and adapt. It works on the principle of neural networks and machine learning, and it thrives on data. AI is not just about robots, it's about making our lives better and solving real-world problems. AI is a game changer, a technology that's shaping our world and our future. So the next time you use Siri or Alexa, or when Netflix recommends a movie you end up loving, remember, it's all thanks to AI. Artificial intelligence. It's not just science fiction, it's reality. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.